He was a Hollywood pioneer, a legend behind the silver screen. In 1924, he boarded a yacht owned by newspaper tycoon William Randolph Hearst and never came back alive. Official cause: heart failure, but whispers of a gunshot haunted Hollywood. Some say Hearst meant to shoot Charlie Chaplin, and Thomas Ince took the bullet by mistake. Ince's body was quickly cremated, no autopsy, no police report. A tragic death, or Hollywood's first real cover-up? Drop your theory in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.